Hello friends, in this session I will be showing you step-by-step procedure how to run WhatsApp on your mobile, which is Android handset. Okay, so there are first a set of prerequisites if you want to run Appium on your machine. Okay, increase the font size of this. Okay, so the first requirement is you need to have Java installed. Okay, you need to have Android installed on your system, that is Android SDK. Okay, you also need to install the Appium software installed. Then you need to download the Eclipse. I will prefer Luna on your system, and also plugin test-ng. Okay, so these are the major prerequisites you need to have for running Appium. Okay, now from where you can install all these and how you can configure this, I have covered all of them in a detail step by step in my previous module. Okay, that is install Appium 1 and install Appium 2. You can find the links of both the videos in below links. Okay, they are very detailed and you will get the idea how step by step you can install and configure this. Okay, also in that modules I have shown how and where you can download the jar files, but still I will be covering here from where you can download it. Okay, now the next challenge is to download our jar files. Okay, first we need to download the Selenium Jar. Okay, go to Selenium, that is HQ Selenium. Okay, go to downloads. Okay, and download this. I have already downloaded this. Okay, and it is located here under my jar, and you will get a zip file, extract it, and you will get something like this Selenium and its version. Okay, next you have to download the Java client. Okay, for Appium. Okay, Appium, guys, Appium, just first let's go to the site of Appium. Okay, so Appium is a software you have already downloaded on your system. Now you can interact with Appium in any of these languages. So you have downloaded the software, the app for Mac as well as for Windows from here. Now you need the client library so that you can interact with the Appium. Okay, these libraries are in various languages. Okay, we will be working with Java. Click on Java. Okay, and download this download this jar. Okay, from here you can also get Java doc and POM if you have a Maven. We'll leave this, we will be covering in next sessions. Okay, so download this jar. I have already downloaded it and it is located in it's Appium jar, yeah, Java jar. Now from these two you also need to download the JSON jar. Point to some. Okay, go here, this link. Okay, and download this JSON jar as well. I have downloaded it at my location this. Okay, so download Selenium jar, Appium Java client jar, download JSON jar. Also in I missed one thing, that Node.js also you must install this. You will find this in my previous tutorials, from where you can get this and how you can install it. Okay, go through this previous sessions. It is they are very detailed. Okay, so I won't be covering here. Okay, and now we have downloaded all 3 jar files. Okay, so my next step is to download the WhatsApp APK. Now what is an APK? In mobile, or we can say it's for an Android mobile, every app or everything which is a software in a mobile is in a format APK. Okay, so WhatsApp, you can say the contacts, everything, your Facebook, yeah, any app which you have on your mobile have one file, that is .apk. That is the installable file. Okay, by downloading you you run the APK file and software installs on your system. Okay, so we need to add the APK for WhatsApp. There are 2 methods. One is that you can get the APK from your mobile if you have downloaded it, and the another is you can get it from the online. I will be getting it online. Oh, this is the one. Download WhatsApp latest APK. One good part with the APK is that you with the Android is you can get a lot of free APK files here, so you can download these APKs and you can practice a lot. Okay, but in case of iPhone there are issues or some dependencies. Leave it for now. Next session, yeah, I will be covering this. Actually there are many you can say, actually Appium is every month, say, new releases of Appium is coming. They are adding functionality day by day, and some functionality stops working, but it's a known issue and it will be start working from the next. So a lot of it is going, and currently the Appium for iOS is it's not so much good, but yeah, it in the future it will be, because the community is working and they are releasing the Appium versions and enhancing it day by day. Okay, so download the latest version of WhatsApp. Okay, you can download it. Okay, you can download it from here. You can download it. There are many APKs from website. You can download it. Okay, but make sure you download the latest one. Okay, because if you download the latest one and install on your system, so when it opens first time, it will ask you to update your WhatsApp. Okay, you can do that also, but it's better you download the latest APK. Okay, so download this APK. I have already APK with me, that is this. Okay, now go to my Eclipse and I will create a new project. I will write my Appium project. Okay, click on finish. Under this I will make a new class, that is WhatsApp, and I will click on finish. So I have already told that I have included or downloaded the plugin testng under my Eclipse. Okay, so I can write @test, and I will make a function public void test what's app. Okay, I will include my testng library, as well as I will import this annotation. Okay, now I'm assuming that you guys have little knowledge about the WebDriver working with web-based applications, okay, or desktop-based browsers. Okay, so let me open Paint, and what we do was, in Selenium there was an interface WebDriver. Okay, it was an interface, and there were classes for IE, Chrome driver, okay, IE driver, Safari driver. Okay, these classes were extending the WebDriver. Okay, so you write code something like this: WebDriver driver is equals to new. Suppose for Firefox I should write Firefox driver. Okay, and I start using this driver and write driver.get to navigate. So suppose there is a function which is so this was the function present in WebDriver get. So all these classes were implementing WebDriver, so they have to name a function get whose work was to open the URL you mentioned in this get function. Okay, so this is how the Selenium works for desktop. Okay, now how it works for Appium. Okay, I will just show you. This is WebDriver. Okay, this is Appium driver. Okay, if you're not using the latest jar files of Appium, okay, then in that you will only find Appium driver. Okay, and this Appium driver is implementing the WebDriver. Okay, so you create the object of Appium driver and start working with the Appium, and you start interacting with your Android as well as iOS applications. Now in the latest releases of Appium driver, what the Appium community has done, they have made separate Android driver and iOS driver. Okay, these are the classes which are extending this Appium driver. Okay, so now if you are working with Android driver, you have to create an object of Android driver and start using it. Okay, and same for the iOS driver. Okay, so as we are working here with Android driver, so I will make here Android driver, that is driver. Okay, I will. Oh guys, I have missed one step in this project. I need to also include my jar files. Okay, I go to Java build path, click on add external jars. I will link my JSON and Java client jar. Okay, this is JSON and Java client. Now I will also import the Selenium jar. Click on add external variables, click on jar, and click on Selenium. Okay, this, and click on lib and include all these jar files. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, now import this Android driver. Now guys, now I will also open my Appium. Okay, okay, it has opened. Now there are two ways if you launch an app on a mobile. Okay, first is through this Appium, and the another is through Eclipse. Now how we want to interact, the Appium needs to interact with the mobile is given in the form of capabilities. Okay, so we can set all the capabilities here, and these capabilities will be understood by the Appium when it is interacting with the mobile. Okay, so there are two methods. You can write all the capabilities here and you can run it. Okay, so these capabilities will be set here, and the another method is that you set the capabilities here. You will send these capabilities to the Appium, and Appium will run these capabilities in your mobile handset. Okay, like this is your Appium. Okay, this is your mobile. And this is your say Eclipse. So for when the Appium is interacting with mobile, it needs to have some capability. Okay, so this you can send this capability directly in Appium. Okay, or you can send through Eclipse. Okay, so when you send through Appium, okay, you want to so if I hide this Eclipse, so if you just want to only launch the app, you can do through this Appium also. Okay, so we won't be going this way because in our projects we have to work a lot, we have to manage our capabilities. So I will be showing how to use Eclipse. Eclipse will send these capabilities to Appium. Appium will send these capabilities and know that how to interact with our mobile. Okay, you can set capabilities in Appium as well as in Eclipse in both. So during interacting, the capabilities of Eclipse will be at a higher position. Okay, they will be over the capabilities of Appium, right? So now we need to set some capabilities. So we'll be making an object of desired capabilities. That is capability is equals to new desired capability desired capabilities. Okay, and I will set the capability dot set capability. First I will give my device name. Guys, please make sure that the whatever you are typing in the capability is exactly the same, because it is case sensitive. If you type something here wrong, maybe a small n or something, your test will fail. And it is not just the test will fail, it will be a very tedious task to identify what error you make, because these types of silly mistakes are hard to identify. Any logical mistake is very easily to identify. If you show to someone also, he will be looking for the main functionality or something, not these silly types of mistakes. So when you are coding, please make sure you don't make these type of mistakes. Okay, so my device name, let me show you what is my device name. Open the cam, close this. Okay, okay, so you can go to settings, about phone. This is my device name. Okay, I will write here Moto G capability dot set capability. I will write my platform name. Okay, my platform name is Android. I will copy this and will also write my platform version, and my platform version is, go here, see, it's 5.0.2. okay, 5.0.2. okay, now I'm running this with the minimum set of capabilities to launch the Appium. Okay, so you can cite the list of capabilities here. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, now type here Appium capability. Okay, go to this first link. search capability. Okay, this is the desired capability. You will find all the capabilities under this doc. Okay, see, device name, yeah, device name, yes, the platform name, okay, and the platform version, yeah. Okay, now we can use any of these properties, like the browser name you want to open, the auto launch feature, okay, language. So I've said that I am using the minimum set of capabilities here. So the next capability is that I want to add this app. I told you that I have already the app with me. I will copy it and I will make a new folder under my project. Okay, it's okay, and I will name it app apk, and I will paste my apk under it. Okay, now I will copy this path and I will make a file. What is this? Okay, uh, okay, file is equals to new file. Okay, path here. In Java you can use 2 forward slashes or 1 backward slash. Okay, and we will set a last capability here, capability dot set capability, and it is app, and I will give the absolute path of this apk. Okay, file dot get absolute path. Okay, and okay, now I will show you. I will run this. No, I have missed one thing. This is the capabilities, but I have to give this my capabilities to this driver, so that the driver tells the Appium what to do. Okay, so I will write driver, make an object, new driver, new Android driver. Okay, now first is the URL. I have to tell where the Appium is. So Appium is located by its that on which machine it is running. I will go on ipconfig, go to cmd, type ipconfig. You will get the IP of machine on which API needs to be executed. That is 192.168.1.3. Appium generally runs on default port 4723:4723. Make it http://wd.hub and give capabilities object here. Okay, it will throw an exception. The standard is undefined. No, it string desired capability. Oh, I have to write new URL. I missed it. Okay, it's a text string here. Okay, and it needs to throw an exception, that is malformed URL exception, and I will save this. One more thing before running it, you have to set the path of your IP here as well. Okay, now try to run as test ng, and it started it. and it fails. Okay, see an exception, could not find a session. So Appium is not able to start the session. I know why it has given this error, because we have not started our Appium. We have to first launch the Appium. Click on this and the Appium will be launched. Okay, it's starting the node server and it is started in debug mode. Okay, one more thing guys, go to this and click on this no reset. First stop this, no reset, because I don't want to reset my WhatsApp. Okay, no reset. If it is not reset, it will reinstall the application. You can set the capability here as well, but just I'm doing it from here only. I will start my server, Appium server. Okay, it has started. It's giving me in a debug mode. Go here, right click it and run as testng. Okay, see the camera, WhatsApp will be launched. You see, it has launched. Okay, it has launched here. So we have seen how to launch the WhatsApp on Android mobile. So if you try to run it again, it will give a session error because you have not destroyed this driver. So type driver.quit in the after method of this. Okay, or you can do, you just go to Appium, stop it, and again. Sometimes whenever the session error comes, try to restart this Appium or just remove your USB cable from your mobile. Okay, the easiest method is that if your mobile is connected to your system as well as not, go to CMD, type ADB devices. Okay, if your mobile is still not getting connected, first check the USB. Okay, sometimes it does not connect with some USB, it always need an original USB. Okay, so or else you need to download some softwares to detect, like Mobo, Robo, PDNet. Okay, don't worry about this because if you will be going to my install Appium session 1 and 2, you will be finding, as I told you, detail everything, that how these are installed. You will also find out how you can install Robocop and where you can find these softwares. Okay, if I'm missing some one or things also to install, you will be finding there everything in detail. Okay, so guys, this is for today. So I've shown you how we can launch the WhatsApp on our mobile. In the coming sessions, I will also be showing that how we can send text message or see how many friends are there in a mobile and different scenarios with WhatsApp and different applications. You can also so please subscribe to my channel so that you get all the latest updates. Okay, thank you.